Na me boy ko baby no am me 50 cedis. Na so wo sa de.
Help me no.
Dey betray you.
Help me.
So wo ye mumu.
No.
Na wo me ko ne.
Na help me yan twere keke.
No be this ka ma me akasa ya me sika, me kunu ma me sika no. Me yi mu 10 cedis ama wo ne me.
Oh, dem ma what? Ya dey.
Eti kan first kan nya ma.
Ma me 50 man me go to mo adwuma so.
So you say the part no, the yes, he left only one.
Yeah, so we need more. Okay.
What of the cook?
1 crate will do.
1 crate.
Yes.
Then they remember me say I go buy the rush in the van and the rush too.
Yeah, rush and everything. Okay, dear.
So make sure you list everything that you go take send me for. What's up?
Okay, I will, my dear. You are going to work, right?
Yeah. Oh, Charlie.
Help me.
Yeah. Yo, what's your name? He's dead.
Yeah.
Sorry. Where are you from? Sorry. Use something like, take this and give her. So make sure you list everything on WhatsApp and send me the pan, the whatever, the cook.
Yeah, then one burner.
Alright, okay. So make sure you settle on it.
Take care, baby.
I love you too. I love you more. Guess what? Yeah, sure.
Hey, me son. Some Jacob. Yo. So chocolate. Me yard yo. Take it and go. I'm working.
Oh, yes, come on.
Me mouse cannot be something yes, come on.
Oh, mommy, miss that.
And now, If they can order mammy, me men funnel, me putting in a mouth.
Oh, take it right. Oh, I have 50 no, I have.
But on class, I mean, 50, me proper like we are mobile, some more 10 cedis.
What me now? Me who can say no me say. I
now me boy ko baby no am me 50 cedis. Na so wo sa de.
Help me no.
Dey betray you.
Help me.
So wo ye mumu. Na wo ne me ko ne.
Na help me yan twere keke.
No be this ka ma me akasa ya me sika, me kunu ma me sika no. Me yi mu 10 cedis ama wo ne me.
Oh, dem ma what? Ya dey.
Eti kan first kan nya
ma me 50 man me go to mo adwuma so.
Hey!
Oh, Jimiana.
Dipamlo.
I'm not saying.
Nasabeni.
Father, me told me, Jenny's what?
One year die.
Father, Mum, what's
going on here?
Baby, come and see. See this one, no. You gave me money and then he wanted
to give it to him. So what?
Let's come and boyfriend so their mama make put it in our mouth.
Yes. Did she give it to you? Oh, come on.
Baby, the money was too big. It's coming soon. Let's tell me money 10 cedis now. 50 cedis on the bed. I'll find your shade.
So then, like, I'm coming on. So where's the price from?
Huh? He's angry because I give him 10 cedis and I'm supposed to give him 50 cedis. He wants me to give him all the money you gave to me.
I said give all to him.
I'm first coming in our money, saying. My friend.
Wait, now, wait, relax. Calm down. Calm down.
My dear, who call your crumble? Only me what I say. Or Cassa crying you. What Cassa show me what has to see? Oh, the woman. I say, oh, my 50 citizens, 50 citizens, me for mano.
Are you kidding me or what?
I'm telling you the fact.
Telling me what fact? The person cannot talk. He's different.
He can talk.
He can talk, my dear. Come on.
One Cassa.
seen somebody who can talk. I don't know
he can talk.
you know 50 cities that you give somebody.
What
are you saying? No, don't tell me that.
Truth.
Don't tell me that. Don't like that. Don't like that.
Hey.
You see what it costs? You see what it costs? I beg, quick look, guys. I beg, hey, what did they?
What is that?
Go bring it. I beg.
What I'm saying is the truth. He was talking.
What talking? He was not talking. I beg. So you make no case again. I beg. Take ad. Because me, I know 70 cities you are giving us, make they give you. Where you do such?
Maybe you don't trust me.
It's okay, go away. Oh, I said it's okay. Oh, come on, I'm giving you money already. What is that again? How much I giving you money? Huh? Your man is a beggar, you know, like, you know, and he needs help, like, you know, he needs help. Oh, like, what's your shadow? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're giving him money. Oh, yes, oh, definitely. You can't talk here. Wait, yeah.
When you go, I go on Scada. I blow myself a bunty or a woman who bear 10. On my soul, I shall in the map. And was I found home. What's the sign?
We thank God.
What's the sign? You I will sign twice for bed 5. What you must see I will sign.
What's the You see evidence. Give my money. Give me my money.
What's that? What you?
Relax. I will kill you today.
Me first one. I never first one. Call Canada. Oh, do Canada no more than oh, most of the neighbor. Oh, Bayana.
Yes, what's your brother?
What's your brother? I 45. I
do. Yeah, near Brenna. You was a jet. Never go to be no. Would the yes, guys have 5? What's up, Jimmy? Let him say on sign.